Na-nerf itong Alenia natin.
Oh my
Pero
goodness.
What a turnaround by Blacklist. Pero still, the bigger picture, Boom Esports, na-control nila yung bleeding, no? At nakahabol na sila in terms of gold. And we are now all even and tied up.
Ito, may counter lang talaga yan kung kailan mag-sacrifice si Impressive. And that's one way to see na talagang hindi natin pinakabayaan ng Blacklist International. Napitas dun si Azar. Ang bilis ng response ng Blacklist. This moment in time, may pagkakataon talaga sila para makabaw. Impressive on low HP, pumasok pa rin! At talagang sinusustain yung laban. Miggy on the other hand, gusto lumalim din para makakuha na isang pick of Just Chi. Makakuha ba? Huburuan ba din dito isang member ng Boom Esports? Dahan-dahan din naghahanap. Frozen ngayon si Golden Kite. At naging poke lang din talaga. Naging daplis lang for Blacklist International dahil si Azar si Impressive naging casualty ulit. 4-14.
Mukhang isa pang laban kasi pumoporma pa rito sila. Hindi, time out na daw muna, sabi ng Boom Esports. Pero nakita ko rin kung bakit nila inaasim tong gitna. They just want to defend the tower, pare. Alam nila na napakalaking bagay nitong tier 1 tower nila sa mid lane para hindi na makahanap pa ng further advantage dito ang Blacklist. And that was a decision by Boom Esports. Ngayon, ito, si Impressive, pinapagitnaan ulit, pare.
Oh, still being the bait for Boom Esports. Ngayon, mas secure ba nila ang objective na to? Tyrant is open. This is an extra damage buff for Blacklist or even for Boom Esports. May makaka-reset pa. Sino makakuha ng objective na to? Just in the front line. Sino makakuha ng objective na to? Tyrant is now open. Walang iba kundi si AG6. Boom Esports secures the objective. May damage buff ngayon. Pwede sila pumalag. Meanwhile, Chami1 nasa front line. Impressive being the vision. Ilawan ko lang kayo mga tol. Chami1! Oh my goodness! Chami1 still survives that one. It's a wipeout. Ace! Blacklist International taking 5 out of Boom Esports.
Diretso na to, papuntang Crystal! OSX, this dragon will remain alive! At itong si Impressive na lang ang natitira mag-defend para sa Boom Esports. Paparating pa yung Mama Dragon.
Naku, wala nang may iwan, wala nang dedepensa. Taking the strategy once again, Blacklist International.